Now let us solve one example of numerical of series connection. Now let us solve a numerical of series connection for better understanding, and then I will give you an assignment to solve it. So let's take a simple circuit of two resistance. Okay, these are the two resistance R1 and R2. It has been provided with a battery of voltage V. The value of R1 is 5 ohms. R2 value you don't know, that is R. The voltage drop across R1 is 10 volts and voltage drop across R2 is 6 volts. So now what all things you have to find out? What all are the things to find out? First is current I, second is voltage, third is R, that is value of R2, value of R2. Then what else? Okay, we will also try to find out IR. Okay, so these are the simple things which you are going to find out for the understanding how to solve the numericals and how to deal after having all the knowledge. So if this is my battery of some voltage V which I don't know, and my current I is flowing which I don't know, so how I'm going to find out my current and voltage? I just have only one component, that is the value of resistance. Don't worry, we can find out. How in this, which connection it is? In series connection. So what was the thing which we studied in series connection? That current through all the component is same. Current flowing in the circuit is same. So just come to resistance 1. You have the value of R1. In given part what you have? You have the value of R1, that is 5 ohms. You have the voltage also. Which voltage you have? You have V1 voltage. How much it is? 10 volts. You have V2 also. How much it is? 6 volts. So from this two V1 and R1, can you find out the current? And current in the entire circuit is going to be same. So now you can find out the current? Yes, you can. By which law? By using first, what we are going to find out? Current. By using which law? Ohm's law. By using Ohm's law, you are going to find out current. What does the Ohm's law says? V equals to IR. So here, V1 equals to IR1. What is the voltage? Voltage is 10. What is the current? You don't know. You are finding out that only. What is the resistance? That is 5. So just take it over here. What is the current you are going to get? 10 divided by 5. So you got the value of your current. What is the value of your current? 2 amperes. So here you got the value of your current. That value is how much you got? You got it as 2 amperes. Okay. Now, what was the second thing which you are told to find out? What is the second thing? That is voltage. Now, when I taught you series connection, what was the first thing which I wrote? I wrote it. Now for the second part, to find out the voltage. To find V, I wrote it as V equals to V1 plus V2. Now just look at the given part. What is given to you? V1 is given, V2 is given. So you can easily find out V. So what is the V now? 10 plus 6, that is 16 volts. So your V is nothing but 16 volts. Now you got the value of V also. So what is the value of V? The value of V is 16 volts. Now what is remaining? Your R. That is value of resistance R2. Now how you will find out? You are supposed to find out value of this resistance. How you will find out? You have voltage. You also have the current. You just now found it. How much it was? 2 amperes. So that's it. You can find out. So the third part is find the value of R2. Find the value of R2. Again applying Ohm's law. Again applying Ohm's law. Remember, in series, same amount of current is flowing through all the components. So here also your current is going to be 2 ohms. Now V2 is equals to I R2. You have value of I, you have value of V. So what was your V? V is 6. What is the value of current you got? 2 amperes. And you don't know the value of R2. So R2. So R2 equals to 6 divided by 2. What is 6 by 2? 2 3s are 6. So your R2 is 3 ohms. So what is the value of R? That is value of R2 you got. You got it as 3 ohms. Now just answer me. What is going to be the value of IR? As I already said, current through all the components is going to be same. So your current is going to be same. That is going to be 2 amperes. So this is the way how you solve the numericals of series connection.